Demand for Tesla's electric vehicles is increasing day by day, even though the company increased its electric vehicle prices recently. Tesla updated its delivery timetable for its used vehicle orders on its website, and it looks like Tesla sold out many models for the year, despite the increase in electric vehicle prices. Before we get into the news, I would like to welcome you to my channel. On this channel we look at the latest news surrounding Elon Musk, Tesla Cybertruck, SpaceX Starlink to name a few. I would like to announce a giveaway I will be hosting. I will be giving away a $50 Amazon gift card, and all you have to do is subscribe and like the video, and make sure you watch till the end of the video. Now let's get into the news. The increase in demand is due to both the increase in the trend of avoiding internal combustion engines to fight climate change, and the recent increase in gas prices, after Russia's invasion of Ukraine. The electric vehicle maker increased Model Y's price from $47,000 to $63,000 recently, but this increase had no effect on buyers, as Model Y deliveries for new orders are now pushed to a timeframe between January 2023 and April 2023. Model S deliveries are estimated to be actualized between November 2022 and January 2023, while Model X orders are expected to be delivered sometime between April and July of 2023. Tesla announced that it was prioritizing increasing its production substantially in 2022 to address the backlog of orders in its Q4 results. The maker now plans to deal with the increase in orders by increasing its output to the maximum at its existing manufacturing plants in California and Shanghai, and by also bringing online entirely new factories in Austin, Texas, and the most recent one in Berlin. Tesla recently launched a Gigafactory in Shanghai, and was expected to ramp up production and sell an estimated 1.5 million this year, helping the company to establish a stronger foothold in Europe. But as the COVID-19 cases surge again in Shanghai and the city is going under a two-phase lockdown, and the Shanghai Gigafactory will halt production for 4 days until April 1st, making it even harder to catch up on order backlog. Tesla CEO Elon Musk recently spoke about his concerns about the challenges with battery production in 2023, which can jeopardize the company's plan to scale up electric vehicle production over the next few years. He said that in the same period, the main concerns would be the number of gigawatt-hours of battery produced, the strength of the supply chain, and the rate at which battery materials are being mined and refined. Musk also pointed out another problem, which many manufacturers love to deal with: orders for Tesla's electric vehicles are outpacing its production speeds. But no matter what, Tesla intends to keep its position as the world's best-selling electric vehicle maker, and be back with its full lineup, including the long-awaited Cybertruck, in 2023. Let's see how Elon Musk plans to deal with the situation in the third part of his master plan. Tesla recently said that production of the Cybertruck electric pickup would be delayed by almost a year to the end of 2022, due to the ongoing supply chain issues plaguing the automotive industry. So will the new truck be a big money maker for Tesla, when it potentially ramps up deliveries starting 2023? We don't think so. We estimate that Tesla's Cybertruck revenues will stand at just about $400 million in 2023, potentially rising to about $5 billion by 2026. For perspective, that's likely to be less than 2.5% of projected Tesla revenue in 2026. See our dashboard analysis Cybertruck revenue potential for a look at our methodology. Although the US pickup truck market is quite large with volumes for the top 5 players standing at close to 3 million units per year, the Cybertruck, which features a radical design, appears to be a relatively niche product for Tesla. For instance, Tesla has indicated previously that Cybertruck sales could come in below its premium Model X and S vehicles, which have historically sold under 100,000 units a year. Competition is also strong. EV upstart Rivian's R1T pickup truck is receiving rave reviews, while publication Motor Trend awarding it its 2022 Truck of the Year, and calling it the most remarkable truck it has driven. Investors are also buying into this story, giving Rivian a $100 billion plus valuation. Similarly, mainstream pickup manufacturers are also seeing traction with their electrification plans, with Ford's electric version of its iconic F-150 seeing robust demand. Customer loyalty in the truck market is also very high, meaning that Tesla could have a tough time going after existing owners. Tesla unveiled its first electric pickup truck class dubbed Cybertruck, featuring a radical design and prices ranging from around $40,000 going up to $70,000. Tesla's interest in the market is understandable, given that pickup trucks have been a big moneymaker for auto majors, with GM previously indicating that it garners as much as $17,000 in pre-tax profits from larger pickups, which typically sell for $50,000. While the Cybertruck appears to have impressive technology and performance, it remains unclear if traditional truck owners, who are typically very brand loyal, will be lured by the vehicle. Based on our estimates, the vehicle could add over $4.5 billion to the company's revenues by 2025. For perspective, this would be under 20% of the company's 2019 revenues, and roughly 55% of estimated Model X and S revenues for this year. Below, we provide a brief overview of the US truck market and size up the potential of Tesla's Cybertruck. While Tesla has not provided a concrete launch date for the vehicle, it indicated that production startup could begin in late 2021, and we assume that the truck could hit the market by 2023. We assume that Tesla will garner 1% of the total volumes of the top 5 players combined, with the number growing to 3% by 2025. We assume that the average selling price for the vehicle will be $55K. This would translate into revenues of about $1.5 billion in 2023, growing to about $4.6 billion by 2025. For a detailed breakdown of the Cybertruck's revenue potential, view our interactive dashboard analysis. The Tesla Cybertruck looks like it was dropped off by an alien race, but it has the capabilities to challenge all of the top-selling pickup trucks. With a sharp-edged exterior that is made of scratch and dent-resistant stainless steel, Tesla's all-electric truck is seriously tough. Along with available all-wheel drive, the Cybertruck can tow up to 14,000 pounds and has an estimated driving range of 500+ miles. Well, that applies only to the most expensive model. The cheapest one starts at $39,900. Of course, there's still a lot we don't know about the Cybertruck, including when it will officially go on sale. Tesla has delayed the truck's production timeline several times already. Tesla is expanding its lineup to include one of the most popular body styles in America, the pickup truck. With seriously impressive stats for both an EV and a pickup, the Cybertruck gives the company a potentially strong seller, given how well trucks sell in this country. However, it'll have to compete with the Ford F-150 Lightning, the GMC Hummer EV, the Rivian R1T right out of the gate. Chevy is also planning an electric Silverado in the next couple of years, and Ram says it'll have an EV with a truck bed by 2024. The Cybertruck will be available in 3 different configurations, which are all based on the number of electric motors each has. While all-wheel drive is standard on all but the single-motor version, each additional motor means quicker acceleration, longer driving range, and greater towing capacity. The Cybertruck is available with not just 1, not just 2, but 3 electric motors. While the single-motor truck has rear-wheel drive, the 2 and 3 motor models have all-wheel drive. Tesla claims it'll go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.5 seconds and top out at 110 miles per hour. The dual-motor Cybertruck will reportedly reach 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 ticks and have a top speed of 120 miles per hour. Those looking for the ultimate performance will appreciate the 3-motor model, which Tesla says will essentially teleport from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.9 seconds with a top speed of 130 miles per hour. All Cybertrucks have an adjustable air suspension that can be raised or lowered on the fly and provides up to 16 inches of ground clearance. Add that to his 35-degree approach and 28-degree departure angles, and the Tesla pickup could prove to be a formidable off-road machine. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed. I would appreciate it if you could subscribe and like the video, as it will help out the channel a lot. Make sure you do not forget to turn on notifications by pressing the bell icon, so you do not miss the latest news surrounding Elon Musk, SpaceX, Tesla Cybertruck, to name a few.